All right. We get ready to hit the road. But before I hit the road, I just wanted to say, hey, look, I see a lot of people doing cold starts. I don't know what the purpose is. Maybe you get a louder sound, or I don't know why. But you know what? In honor of all those folks that like to do the cold starts, hey, I'm gonna do one too. How about that? We're gonna find out. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cold start too. Let me switch this camera over. Okay. And there you have it. Let's just get on the road. Let's do this. So guess what? I rode down I-4 and found myself down here at the Gibtown Bike Rally. There's a lot of bikes out here already this morning. I'm getting ready to go inside and hopefully show you all what this bike rally is all about. So let's get to it. So that was just a quick snapshot of what they have here at the Gibtown Bike Rally in Gibsonton, Florida, next to Tampa. Not too bad. I've been here just not too long, but I walked around. Got a lot of food, got a lot of bikes, got some shows, got some vendors. That's what makes it a little rally. All right. And I do got to give a shout out to Des from Wind Road Therapy. I didn't get to meet her again today because it's my fault. I forgot to hit her up, and we didn't get to meet because I'm getting ready to take off. But hey, thank you for letting me know about this this rally. It was pretty fun, and it has some bands as well. So that's all I got for today. Once again, my apologies, Des. And then that's all I have. So until the next time, enjoy your ride.